Have you ever marveled at the sheer brilliance of the human body, particularly the complexity of its most intimate parts? The penis, an organ shrouded in both mystery and cultural significance, stands out as a testament to the wonders of human biology. With its cavernous tissues and elastic fascia, it has the remarkable ability to shift from a soft, pliable state to a structure as firm as steel within moments. This transformation isn't just a biological marvel, it's a window into the intricate dance of blood flow, neural signals, and muscular coordination that sustains human life and intimacy. But here's the million-dollar question many men are hesitant to ask. Can such a resilient organ sustain damage from something as seemingly routine as masturbation? It's a query that carries an undercurrent of curiosity, concern, and even a little embarrassment, and it's one I've encountered countless times in my career as a urologist and sexologist. The truth is, the penis is designed to endure the rigors of sexual activity, including masturbation. However, like any finely tuned system, misuse or extreme behaviors can sometimes lead to issues. Today, we're diving headfirst into this intimate topic, not just to dispel myths and misconceptions, but to provide you with a well-rounded understanding of how masturbation affects this vital organ. In this video, we'll explore the biology behind why masturbation, when done right, can actually be beneficial for your sexual health. We'll also examine the potential pitfalls and risks when things go awry, from minor injuries to serious complications. Whether you're curious, concerned, or simply looking for answers to questions you've never dared to voice, this exploration will leave you informed and empowered. If you haven't joined our community yet, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest content. I'd love to hear your thoughts on today's discussion. If you find this content helpful, drop a 1 in the comments below. If it doesn't quite resonate with you, leave a 0. Your feedback is invaluable. It helps me craft videos that better suit your interests and needs. Now, let's dive right in. Every great journey begins with a reliable guide. And in this exploration of sexual health, few are as qualified as Dr. Stefan Buntrock. As a board-certified urologist and renowned expert in sexual medicine, Dr. Buntrock has devoted over 2 decades to understanding and enhancing men's health. His passion for the field began in 1999 during his rigorous residency in urology. It was there he realized that studying a handful of organs, the kidneys, bladder, prostate, testicles, and penis, demanded an unmatched level of precision and dedication. His commitment didn't stop at urology. Recognizing the deep intersection between the physical and emotional aspects of male health, he expanded his expertise into sexual medicine. He earned prestigious credentials, becoming a Fellow of the European Board of Urology and the European Committee of Sexual Medicine. This dual focus on the mechanics of the male reproductive system and the psychology of intimacy makes Dr. Buntrock uniquely equipped to address the most personal and sensitive questions. What sets him apart is not just his academic and professional accolades, but his ability to translate complex medical information into relatable insights. He understands that topics like masturbation often come with cultural taboos and personal insecurities. To bridge this gap, Dr. Buntrock combines scientific rigor with empathy, ensuring that every piece of advice he offers is both accurate and accessible. The information in this discussion isn't drawn from myths or anecdotal hearsay. It's grounded in evidence-based research, clinical experience, and established medical standards. Dr. Buntrock has seen it all, from minor concerns to major complications, and his mission is to empower men with the knowledge they need to make informed decisions about their sexual health. Now that we've introduced our trusted guide, it's time to move beyond credentials and into the heart of the matter. What are the actual benefits of masturbation? How does it support the health and function of the male body? And why should it be viewed not as a taboo, but as an integral part of a balanced sexual life? Let's move forward and explore the ways in which masturbation contributes to maintaining not just physical, but emotional well-being. It's time to dispel the stigma and uncover the science behind the benefits of this natural practice. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into this fascinating topic. Masturbation, a practice as old as humanity itself, is often misunderstood or stigmatized. Yet, when done correctly, it is not just a natural expression of human sexuality, but a crucial contributor to physical and emotional well-being. Let's delve into the myriad ways in which this practice can enhance the health of your body and mind. One of the most remarkable benefits of masturbation is its role in maintaining penile health. The penis, like any other part of the body, thrives on activity. Regular use helps keep its structures functional and resilient. When you masturbate, blood rushes into the penile tissues, flooding them with oxygen and nutrients. This process enhances circulation and ensures the tissues maintain their elasticity. Over time, this consistent flow of oxygenated blood supports the integrity of the organ, reducing the risk of fibrosis, a condition where tissues harden and lose their flexibility. It's the same principle as exercising your muscles: use it or lose it. Just as muscles atrophy from disuse, penile tissues can weaken without regular stimulation. By masturbating, you're essentially giving your penis a workout, one that helps preserve its ability to function optimally, especially as you age. Beyond its impact on penile health, masturbation has been shown to reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Scientific studies have found a correlation between frequent ejaculation and a lower likelihood of developing this condition. Research suggests that regular ejaculation may help flush out potentially harmful substances from the prostate, such as carcinogens or inflammatory agents. This protective effect is particularly notable in men who maintain consistent sexual activity throughout their lives. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers among men, particularly as they age, so understanding the connection between ejaculation and prostate health is a vital part of proactive healthcare. In essence, masturbation isn't just about pleasure. It may be a preventative measure for long-term health. But the benefits of masturbation don't stop at the physical. Its impact on mental health is profound and often overlooked. In the chaos of daily life, stress can build up and take a toll on your emotional well-being. Masturbation provides a safe and private way to release tension, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. The act triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can help alleviate anxiety and improve mood. For many, it's a way to momentarily escape from stressors and reconnect with themselves. Additionally, the post-orgasmic state of relaxation can significantly improve sleep quality. Many men find that masturbating before bed helps them fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. Quality sleep, in turn, plays a critical role in overall health, impacting everything from memory to immune function. Masturbation also fosters a deeper understanding of your body and your sexual preferences. Exploring what feels good and what doesn't can improve your sexual confidence and make you a more attentive and empathetic partner. This self-awareness can translate into better communication in intimate relationships, enhancing both physical and emotional connections. Far from being a selfish act, understanding your body through masturbation can lead to more fulfilling experiences for both you and your partner. It's worth noting that the benefits of masturbation are most pronounced when practiced in moderation and with respect for your body. Excessive masturbation, driven by compulsion rather than choice, can have negative repercussions on your daily life and relationships. The key lies in maintaining a healthy balance, ensuring that this natural activity remains a positive and supportive part of your routine. As we explore these benefits, it becomes clear that masturbation is not just a solitary indulgence, but an essential aspect of self-care. It supports the physical health of the penis, may lower the risk of serious illnesses like prostate cancer, and offers profound mental health benefits. When approached with understanding and moderation, it becomes a powerful tool for maintaining both sexual and overall well-being. While the benefits of masturbation are extensive, it's equally important to address the risks that can arise from unsafe or excessive practices. To fully harness its advantages, you need to know how to navigate potential pitfalls. In the next section, we'll discuss the common risks of masturbation and provide practical advice on how to avoid them, ensuring your sexual health journey remains safe and rewarding. If you are still watching this video and find these lessons useful, please comment number 1 below to let me know that you are still watching this video with me. While masturbation is generally a safe and beneficial practice, engaging in unsafe or extreme behaviors can lead to serious consequences. Understanding these risks and how to avoid them is essential for maintaining sexual health and preventing unnecessary harm. Let's explore some of the most common dangers associated with unsafe masturbation practices and what you can do to stay safe. One of the most frequent injuries caused by aggressive masturbation is a tear in the frenulum, the delicate band of tissue connecting the foreskin to the underside of the glans. This type of injury often occurs when too much force or an unnatural angle is applied during masturbation. A torn frenulum can be extremely painful and bleed significantly, often requiring weeks to heal fully. In some cases, repeated tears can create a weak spot, making future injuries more likely. If this happens, medical intervention may be necessary, such as surgical reconstruction or even circumcision, to resolve the issue permanently and prevent further damage. Another risk arises from the use of inappropriate objects during masturbation. Some individuals, in search of heightened sensations, resort to inserting foreign objects into the urethra. Items like pens, wires, or other sharp materials might seem harmless at the moment, but can cause significant internal damage. The urethra is a sensitive and delicate structure, and any trauma can lead to infections or even scarring, a condition known as a urethral stricture. This scarring can make urination difficult and painful, requiring medical procedures to correct. Beyond physical injury, there is also the psychological distress that can accompany such complications. It is crucial to avoid using objects not specifically designed for sexual activity, and to always prioritize safety over experimentation. Bending the penis while it is erect is another dangerous practice that can result in a condition known as a penile fracture. Despite its name, the penis does not contain bones. However, the rupture of the tunica albuginea, the tough, fibrous covering of the erectile tissues, can occur under extreme pressure. This injury is often accompanied by a loud popping sound, intense pain, and immediate swelling or bruising. A penile fracture is a medical emergency that typically requires surgical repair to restore function and prevent long-term complications such as erectile dysfunction. This type of injury can also be emotionally distressing, further emphasizing the importance of avoiding such risky behaviors. In some cases, individuals seeking novel sensations may insert their penis into tight or restrictive objects. While this might initially seem harmless, swelling can rapidly occur, causing the penis to become stuck. Removing these objects often necessitates medical intervention, and in some extreme cases, even specialized equipment is required. This scenario can be both physically painful and deeply embarrassing, as it often involves a team of healthcare professionals working to resolve the issue. Imagery likening the situation to attempting to remove Excalibur from a stone might bring a moment of levity, but the reality is far from amusing. The risk of permanent damage or severe complications is very real, and such behaviors should be avoided entirely. It is also essential to understand the role of balance in masturbation practices. Excessive or compulsive masturbation can lead to irritation, inflammation, or even calluses in the genital area. Over time, this can desensitize the tissues, reducing sexual pleasure and making intimacy with a partner less satisfying. Moreover, when masturbation becomes an obsessive behavior, it can interfere with daily life, relationships, and emotional well-being. Recognizing the signs of compulsion is the first step toward addressing the issue, whether through self-regulation or seeking professional help. The good news is that these risks are entirely preventable with mindful practices and a commitment to safety. Using adequate lubrication, avoiding excessive force, and steering clear of inappropriate objects are simple but effective ways to protect your body. Remember, masturbation is meant to be a pleasurable and healthy activity, not one that leads to pain or injury. By understanding the potential dangers of unsafe masturbation and taking proactive steps to avoid them, you can enjoy all the benefits of this natural activity without compromising your health. Awareness is key, and being informed allows you to make decisions that prioritize both your physical and emotional well-being. Now that we've uncovered the potential risks, let's turn our attention to understanding when masturbation becomes excessive. How can you recognize the signs that it's time to reevaluate your habits, and what steps can you take to regain balance? Join us as we explore this delicate yet vital topic in the next section. Masturbation, when practiced in moderation, is a healthy and natural part of human sexuality. However, like any behavior, it can become problematic when taken to extremes. Recognizing the signs of excessive masturbation is essential for maintaining a balanced and fulfilling life. One of the most obvious indicators of overindulgence is frequency. While there is no definitive normal number of times to masturbate, it becomes a concern when it interferes with daily responsibilities or routines. If you find yourself compelled to masturbate multiple times a day, to the point where it disrupts work, social interactions, or personal goals, this could be a sign of compulsive behavior. Masturbation should be a source of pleasure and relief, not a driving force that dictates your schedule or detracts from other important aspects of life. Another red flag is the psychological impact of persistent thoughts about masturbation. For some individuals, the act becomes an obsession, occupying their minds even when they're engaged in unrelated activities. This constant preoccupation can lead to feelings of guilt, shame, or frustration, creating a cycle that perpetuates the behavior. Instead of feeling empowered and in control, individuals may begin to feel trapped by their impulses, struggling to regain a sense of balance. Physical discomfort or irritation is another sign that excessive masturbation may be causing harm. Over time, repeated friction can lead to inflammation, soreness, or even reduced sensitivity in the genital area. When these physical symptoms are combined with emotional strain, the overall quality of life can suffer significantly. Recognizing these signs is the first step toward addressing the issue. The good news is that there are practical solutions available. For many, self-awareness and conscious effort can help reestablish a healthier balance. Setting limits on frequency, redirecting focus to other activities, and practicing mindfulness can make a big difference. These strategies not only reduce compulsion, but also help individuals reconnect with the positive aspects of masturbation as a form of self-care. For those who find it difficult to regain control on their own, seeking help from a mental health or medical professional can be incredibly beneficial. Therapists and counselors are trained to address underlying issues, such as anxiety, stress, or past trauma, that may contribute to compulsive behaviors. Similarly, medical professionals can provide guidance and reassurance about the physical effects of masturbation, helping to alleviate any unwarranted fears or misconceptions. Acknowledging the need for help is not a sign of weakness, but of strength and self-respect. By reaching out for support, individuals can learn to manage their habits in a way that aligns with their values and priorities, fostering a healthier relationship with their sexuality. Masturbation is an integral part of human experience, but like all aspects of life, it requires balance. When practiced mindfully, it can contribute to physical and emotional well-being, serving as a source of pleasure and relaxation. However, recognizing when the behavior becomes excessive and taking steps to address it is key to maintaining that balance. With a better understanding of how to recognize and address excessive masturbation, the next step is to explore the broader importance of maintaining healthy sexual practices. How can these habits contribute to a more fulfilling life and deeper connections with yourself and others? Let's uncover the answers in the following section. As we reach the end of this journey into understanding masturbation, it's important to reflect on the key takeaways. Masturbation is not just a natural aspect of human sexuality, it's a practice deeply tied to both physical and emotional well-being. When approached with balance and mindfulness, it offers numerous benefits, from maintaining the health of the penis and reducing the risk of prostate cancer, to alleviating stress and improving sleep quality. However, as we've explored, there are risks associated with unsafe or excessive practices. Injuries such as tears, scarring, or even penile fractures can occur when proper care is not taken. Compulsive behaviors, driven by psychological distress, can interfere with daily life and relationships, highlighting the need for self-awareness and moderation. The line between healthy enjoyment and harmful habits lies in understanding your body, recognizing boundaries, and respecting your limits. Masturbation, like any aspect of life, thrives on balance. When done mindfully, It can be a valuable part of self-care, fostering a deeper connection with your body and a better understanding of your sexual preferences. At the same time, being informed about the risks allows you to take proactive measures to protect your physical and mental health. Knowledge is power, and empowering yourself with accurate information ensures that you can enjoy the benefits of masturbation without fear or stigma. If this discussion has sparked questions or reflections, don't hesitate to seek out trusted resources or speak to a healthcare professional. There is no shame in prioritizing your well-being, and opening the door to honest conversations about sexuality can be incredibly liberating. Share what you've learned with others, whether it's a friend who might benefit from these insights or a partner with whom you want to foster greater intimacy. Knowledge becomes even more powerful when it's shared. We also invite you to join this ongoing conversation by sharing your thoughts, questions, or experiences in the comments below. Your voice matters, and your perspective could inspire someone else to seek the answers they've been looking for. If you found this discussion valuable, consider subscribing for more content that empowers you to take control of your sexual health and well-being. Don't forget to hit the like button if this has resonated with you. It's a small action that helps us reach more people and continue producing meaningful content. Masturbation is a deeply personal journey, one that connects us to our most intimate selves. By embracing it with care, knowledge, and respect, you can unlock a greater sense of fulfillment and confidence. Remember, your body is yours to understand, cherish, and celebrate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might benefit from this topic. Have any thoughts or personal experiences to share? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to join our community for more empowering content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, embrace the journey with confidence.